You probably can't even see me. I don't know if you hear that one. That was hawks. They get a bit grumpy and have a bit of a fight and a bit of a carry on or a bit of a squabble over something on occasion. And they make some brilliant noises like that. Now imagine coming out of that noise really loud, sometimes flying through the air. You can tell they're literally airborne when they're doing it in the middle of the night. That's probably one of the most horrendous noises you'll hear. When you go out and it's pitch black and there's things flying making that noise, and you can tell they're fighting amongst themselves in mid-air, and it's absolutely pitch black, and it's sort of a bit chilling when it does happen. But yeah, that's funny noises in the night around here.